Looking for a rarely available inter-terrace in the highly sought-after Frankel estate? Hey everyone, welcome back to the prestigious landed home series by AAG Landed 7772. I'm Brandon.
And I'm Agnes. Today we're excited to show you this modern inter-terrace located in the heart of prime Frankel estate.
Rebuilt in 2019, this 2.5-story inter-terrace sits on the 2-story landed zone with a land size of almost 1,600 square feet and a built-up area of about 3,800 square feet. It comes with a 6.2 meter frontage, allowing space to park 2 cars side by side.
The facade of the house features clean lines, a bold black and white contrast, and a full glass balcony, a striking design that is eye-catching and timeless. As we step into the house, we are greeted by an inviting living area that flows seamlessly into the dining and kitchen area, creating a space perfect for both entertaining and family living.
High ceiling of 3.7 meters and large format tiles enhance the natural lights, creating a bright, airy atmosphere with a luxurious finish that feels both spacious and effortlessly elegant. Whether you are relaxing with families or hosting guests, this space is designed to impress. The dining area is both functional and stylish, anchored by a stunning marble top table that sits up to 10 persons. Seamlessly connected to the kitchen island, it is perfect for hosting or daily family meals.
The dry kitchen features one-tone countertops and backsplash, beautifully paired with fluted glass cabinets. Elegant brass trim detailing adds a touch of class, while the integrated built-in appliances complete the clean, minimalist look. The wet kitchen is thoughtfully designed for heavy cooking, with ample counter space.
As we step in the master bedroom, we are immediately greeted by a flood of natural lights pouring in from the floor to ceiling, glass doors leading out to a private balcony, perfect for evening unwind or as a fitness corner. The rooms features beautiful warm-toned hardwood floors paired with soft, neutral wall tones to create a calm and comfortable environment.
Also on this level are 2 more ensuite bedrooms, each offering a generous space, perfect for children's bedroom or as a home office. Up on the attic level, you'll find 2 more spacious ensuite bedrooms. And because this home sits on the elevated land plot, you get to enjoy a panoramic city view, especially beautiful in the evenings.
The location is truly unbeatable. You are just a short walk to all the eateries and amenities around C Club Centre as well as Frankel Avenue. We are also just minutes away from ECP and PIE. For those who don't drive, the bus stop is only 2 minutes away and bus 42 gets you to Kemanggan MRT in under 5 minutes.
For families with school-going children, you'll be glad to know that this home is within 2 kilometers of some popular schools like St. Stephen's School, Opera Estate Primary, Ngee Primary, and Townan School.
In a prime location like this, where most landed properties are detached or semi-detached, terrace house rarely come on the market. This is a rare opportunity you won't want to miss. Call me at 9848 to arrange for an exclusive viewing today. Landed 7772, sure sell!